Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about in this video 3 different drywall patching techniques. On the top here we're going to talk about the California patch. In the second location we're going to talk about a patch with backing, and in the last location we're going to talk about a surface mounted patch. So what's not so unique about patching is once it's all done, it all looks the same. But what we're going to do that is unique today about this video is we're going to go to the back side of the wall after all these patches are complete, and we're going to take a look at what is the best patch for your particular use. So here we are at the end of day 1 with 3 different types of patches. And if you look at this, there's obviously some work to be done to get them smoothed out and finished off so that they're completely gone. But when you look at this, you really don't have a good picture of what the quality of the patch is. Looks pretty good from the front, and with another floating and some texture, it's going to blend into the wall fine. But let's go on to the back side now and take a look at what we've done. So down here on the bottom, I have the patch that we did that's a surface mount patch. And you guys take it easy on me because I know that you're going to be hammering me because I made such a big hole with a patch that doesn't overlap enough. My goal was to show that drywall compound coming through the hole, and I made it larger so you could see that. I would strongly advise that you don't use a surface mount patch over a hole that's any larger than 2 to 3 inches, 3 inches being the absolute max. The reason for that is that you don't want that surface mount patch, that thin material, just floating the way I did it here. But I did want you to be able to see how the compound pushes through and it tries to become part of the wall. But it's also very important that if you have a hole this big, you can't count on it being just that big. When you come around to this size and you see what I had to cut away to make that patch solid, or connection point to a solid drywall, you really can't use that patch anymore if the hole's too big. So the next hole up is the standard patch that we use, the wood backing. That patch is a very strong patch, but you have to keep in mind that it's only as strong as the connection point of those screws that are going through the old existing wall and into the wood. If someone was to push on that patch and push the nail, or excuse me, the screw heads through the old drywall, then that patch technically, potentially could come loose. The patch that I really prefer is the California patch, and the reason for that is that as you could see going around the perimeter of it, the compound is actually become part of the gypsum of the original wall. The paper on the outside, it tapes down very solidly to the face of the old drywall, and it becomes part of the wall. And you see as I knock on it here that it's rock solid. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to check out our products, click on the link below in the description for easy protection. And to check out our other videos, please click on the link up here.